at the Richland Community College, the 2014 International Workshop for Public Education, Outreach, and Training for Carbon Capture, Utilization, and Storage. This is the first annual conference, and it is an international conference on the Richland Community College campus. And it's really as a result of our participation in the Illinois Industrial Carbon Capture and Storage Project that's sponsored by the Department of Energy, National Energy Technology Laboratory, and has 4 additional partners: Archer-Daniels-Midland Company, Schlumberger Carbon Services, the University of Illinois with the Illinois State Geological Survey Division, and Richland Community College.
A very important part of the project, the Illinois Industrial Carbon Capture and Storage Project, is its outreach component, education and outreach, because CCS is a new technology. We really have to deliver the message.
We have brought people from around the world in to talk about the technology related to carbon capture, utilization, and storage. We have speakers from India, from South Africa, from Canada, from Europe, and in large part that's been because of the outreach and the education that Richland has done through the National Sequestration Education Center.
Part of the workshop, we included a teacher's K-12 clean energy workshop where we discussed not only carbon capture, utilization, and storage, but other low carbon technologies like wind and solar energy that then form a portfolio or a combination of low carbon technologies to address global climate change. And as part of the teachers workshop, we had a lot of these experiments from our Camp Connections summer school program here in Decatur, and we've had about 3,200 kids attend Camp Connections over the last 3 years. So here we have activities in wind energy, solar energy, carbon capture and storage, sustainable agriculture, and recycling. We also had other experts in the CCUS field bring in experiments and activities to demonstrate things like geologic storage of CO2, enhanced oil recovery, also terrestrial carbon sequestration, or storing CO2 within plants in the soils. Well, Richland has developed, in collaboration with the Decatur Public Schools, the Green Guide, which contains teachers' guidebooks, and these are all the way from K through 12 in these 5 areas of sustainability. So we wanted to demonstrate some of the activities and experiments within the Green Guide. Also, each teacher that attended the workshop received a teacher's toolkit with some experiments and activities, and then all of the guidebooks all the way from K through 12. What we want to do, and that's what the Green Guide is focused on, is to have the teachers lesson-ready plans that have been tested within a summer camp to add these clean energy technologies to their curricula. Also, Richland has partnered with the Global CCS Institute, and we filmed a lot of these CO2 experiments, and this will be part of videos throughout the world showing students conducting the same experiments to increase the knowledge in CCUS and, again, other clean energy.
So it's an exciting time. We've had a wonderful group here. They've not only have participated in hearing technical talks, but they've gone through a lot of curricula opportunities that they can take into the classroom. And then they've also had an opportunity to go and tour the Archer-Daniels-Midland site where for this project they have their large capture and compression and dehydration facility, and then the routing through the pipeline out to the storage site. So a wonderful opportunity to connect real careers that are out there now with science and technology, engineering and math into the classroom and make that connection with students. So a wonderful pathway opportunity this has been for us with this first annual workshop for carbon capture and storage.